Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your stock trading with Robinhood, full guide step by step clearly. To optimize your stock trading with Robinhood, start by downloading the app from your device's app store. Create an account by entering your email address and setting a strong password. Complete the registration process by providing the necessary personal information, including your social security number, and once your account is set up, fund it by linking your bank account and transferring an amount you're comfortable trading with. Familiarize yourself with the app's interface to understand where you'll find stocks, options, and other trading features. Conduct thorough research on potential stocks by utilizing the in-app newsfeed and charts. Use the search bar to find specific companies or ETFs you're interested in investing in. Once you've identified a stock to buy, analyze its performance trends and historical data to make informed decisions. When you're ready to make a purchase, select the stock and tap on the Buy button. Choose the number of shares you wish to buy and review the total cost before completing the transaction. Consider using limit orders to buy stocks at a specific price, which allows for more control over your investments. Monitor your portfolio regularly to track the performance of your investments and adjust your strategy as needed. Stay updated on market trends and news that may impact your trading choices by using the market data and insights available within the app. Set up notifications for price changes, news alerts, and earnings reports to stay informed. Be mindful of your trading fees, even though Robinhood offers commission-free trading, and consider how they could impact your profits. Use the educational resources provided by Robinhood to enhance your trading knowledge and skills. Review your trading history to learn from past trades and refine your strategies for future investments. Consider using the recurring investment feature to automate buying stocks at regular intervals, which can help dollar cost average. Explore options trading if you're comfortable with it, but ensure you fully understand the risks associated with options. Take advantage of Robinhood's cash management feature to earn interest on unused funds in your account. Finally, always keep in mind the importance of risk management and only invest what you can afford to lose. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.